Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us do an instant crispy wheat flour dosa. For this, first let us take 1 cup of rice flour. To this add 1 cup of whole wheat flour, the required amount of salt, and enough water to make it into a batter. Add water little by little, no lump should be formed. Finally, we need a runny batter, but for now I haven't added enough water to make it runny. Just add enough water to make a batter without lumps. To this add half a cup of chopped onions, 1 or 2 green chilies chopped, a handful of coriander leaves and few curry leaves, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of crushed pepper, and now the ingredients are over. Give a nice mix, and we are going to add enough water to make this into a thin batter. Your batter has to be very runny. This is perfect. If it is runny, then only if you pour it on a hot tawa, it will spread easily. Now let us spread it on a hot tawa. Make sure your tawa is very hot, and if you find it difficult to spread like this, just tilt the tawa and spread it. Now let us spread some oil. Once this is ready, the sides will come out. At that point, you can turn this. Cook properly on either sides till it is crispy. Our wheat dosa is ready. A sambar and a simple coconut chutney will be a best combination for this. Hope you like it. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.